All right, so I'm in the Chevy 2500, still had the trailer hooked up from Boonville, the nice gooseneck. I threw the S300 Bobcat on the trailer. We're heading over to Woodruff Woods. He has an 1824 diesel from up at the show. I'm trying something new. I'm actually sharing my toys. So I don't pay for advertising across like any magazines or on YouTube or Facebook or anything. I would rather put a quality product in a good customer's hands. Daryl did buy that 2024 off me back in the spring. He's been doing a great job with it and promoting the Brute Force name and, you know, our name for getting out sales quotes and things for the Brute Force products. So my woodlot's a little tight, and Darren's about 4 miles from the house, so I feel it's in good hands. And his woodlot is a little tight. Obviously, was not ready for a processor of 1824 stature, so we're going to take the Bobcat with the hitch plate and see if we can't squeeze it up in there for him. So just about over to his place now. We'll set the tripod up. I'm sure he's going to have his GoPros out. And we'll go not every day. I get just to drive down the road in my S300, so there's just no room to park the gooseneck trailer and the Chevy at Darren's lot. So we're just going to cruise down here about a quarter mile or so. He's going to disconnect, and then we'll try to use the Bobcat to very gingerly push this into the woodlot. On one end blocking traffic. We're trying to be safe as much as wood guys can be. We got Darren's truck, the 1824. Miss Dallas is at the back end down there, just trying to block things from that side. Hi Darren, how are you, sir?
I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's on the muggy side.
It is.
So I'm gonna set the tripod down here and see if we can't videotape and for historical purposes. All right, so we drove over, unloaded, drove down the road, got it back in here. We did get things uncoupled, but now we gotta drop the live deck. This is about as level of a spot that Darren's got. We're always on a side hill over here. This is Northeast PA, where we have character at the wood yard. So we're gonna get things kind of situated. Once I get the live deck down, We might show some things being unfolded, but there's going to be a lot of finessing trying to get it level. So I won't bore you with the details on that, but she's in here. All right, I'm rapidly losing daylight, but the one thing that sets these brute force machines across from anything else is the mobility, portability, and the quick setup. At Boonville, I watched Multitech bring in the big processor, bring in the live deck, bring in the conveyor, bring in the wedges, and then for the better part of a day, there were 3 guys bolting this thing all together like a giant erector set. So, I have 2 chains, safety chains. I'm going to do a full setup on this. Pull everything, unfold the conveyor. You time me. You ready? Set, go. Everybody says that I smile too much. In honesty, I just have too much fun with hydraulic equipment. That's all that it is, folks. All right, well, we have the 1824 diesel all set up in Darren's woodlot. As you can see, it went in really fast. You know, the biggest savings, there's no cables, there's no winches. That's like painfully slow. I mean, if you're paying for hydraulics and you're paying for speed, it should be throughout the whole process. And this processor does just that. And I'm really excited for Darren. He's been a great supporter of our channel. We've been generating a lot of quotes back and forth for, you know, getting some brute force equipment out. The split force that he's got over here. Shoot, he owns a 2024 splitter now, so you know, couldn't handle.
And I love it.
Yeah, everything does what it's supposed to do, and that's what makes these things so nice. I think the drive over here was like 10 minutes. And so it's nice to be close by. I have to drop my daughter off at college for Friday, Saturday. He's got to drop his daughter off for the same kind of time frame. I'm going to Florida. Where's Lisa or Dallas
just
going?
Philadelphia, so a 2-hour ride.
Okay, I gotcha. So we'll reconvene this video on probably Sunday afternoon when I get back from Florida, and we'll start, you know, putting Darren at the controls and watching the sawdust fly and see if we can't get him smiling a little bit too. So Darren, go ahead and tell the guys about your channel quick, and then I'll close this out.
Sure. My channel is Woodruff Woods. That's WOODRUFF. Woods, just as it's spelled. Woodruff is my last name. And I just want to say thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yeah.
I am so excited. When I started my channel, I told my wife, at the moment I get a processor in my wood yard, I will consider the channel a success.
There you go.
So it's a success.
So guys, as always, all of my videos are not a paid promotion by the manufacturer. It's a marketing tool so we can reach you, the customer. So if we can earn your business with the sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And we got the log lift bags over there on the website too. So we do offer financing. That's over on the website. We got the Facebook and everything else going on. So just remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.